Okay, so now I want to hear a couple of words. Wala ko na kay Direk JD. Direk, anything that you want to say?
Sabi sa iyo, titili kayo ng titili. Ayun, maraming salamat. Anong masasabi niyo sa performance nitong dalawa? Ayun, pero si JD, thank you very much for your presence here. And I do really hope na nagustuhan niyo yung pelikula. Fans natin ng love nila or kung yung basta kwento lang, sana tulungan ng pagkalat kayo magpalitan sa mga tao.
Thanks so much, Direk JD. Of course, we have Ashley Olivia herself, Luna. Yes, there we go, Master League, of course. Rapping himself, Andres Bullock.
Everything that's happened is really because of you guys, you know. I know we're really good now, but I really love you all, and I really appreciate everything. To Direk, JPL, thank you so much, Direk, for really believing in us and, you know, picking us for this film. It's really an honor to get the chance to work with you, Direk. I learned a lot, so thank you so much. And of course, to our bosses in Viva, our Viva family, Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Val, Boss Veronica, and Tita June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, you're the ones that believed in us, and that's why I'm here on the silver screen, which is kakaiba talaga. I haven't grasped around it yet, but yun. And of course, to my parents, my family, my mom, my dad, my sister, of course, my Mama G, thank you so much because without you guys, really, I don't know where I'd be. No, and of course, you people are my family is really the people that have shaped me. The man I've become today is really because of my family, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And to all my friends here, my Vivo family, everyone, my cast, Mundial, Madam Mahal, everyone that worked here, the Minamahal team, I'm so proud of all of us. This is, wow. I don't know what to say. Yeah, thank you. And with all the prods, of course.
There we go, Andres Bullock, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat now. You guys want to invite them for the last time to watch this in the cinemas on September 24. Yeah, Andres.
Yes, I'm inviting you all to watch Minamahal Isang Daan Bulaklak Para Kay Luna, showing in cinemas September 24 nationwide. So please, if you can, watch and support. Maraming salamat ulit.
There we go, palakpakan natin sila one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat. Did you guys enjoy it? Did you guys enjoy it? I think part 2 na agad tayo din. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo lahat pa. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the film again September 24 in cinemas nationwide. Thank you so much. Have a safe trip home. Promise.
Congrats, congrats!
Hello po!
Dito
Congratulations!
kayo guys, si Ray Jackson, ang ating Director of Photography, and his department. Supporting cast. This is supporting cast.
Also, the rest of the cast, samahan niyo kami dito, guys! The more the merrier.
Sana may palay. Armando. Siya ba yun? Armando. Very proud mom. Timeless beautiful masama.
Kamusta po yung performance sa coming po?
Happy ako sa kanilang lahat.
Kinilig rin po ba kayo sa nalawaan?
Oo naman.
Thank you. Say about the movie.
Super, super good. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you po. Thank you.
Parang ginawa ni Joy Rhea. Kinikilig ako kasi iyak ako tapos nakita siya. Ikaw naman ang state father na nag-speak.
Ay, nakita mo yung story ganda. Hi, ka.
Hi, Tita Jay.
Oh my guys, oh my guys.
Hello, Natasha. Hello, Natasha.
Hi, Jobber.
Yes. Ano na? Thank you. Thank you. Punta din ako sa
Walang light.
Salamat. Tabesay. Ang ganda, no?
Ganda.
Hindi pa ko singgalin mo. Yating din.
For first movie yan.
Dito dito sa harap. Sa harap yung iba. Naka-levels naman tayo.
Alright, smile for the camera! Smile! Picture tayo. We have here the prod staff and the rest of the cast of Minamahal. 1, 2, 3, smile. Picture. Smile. There we go. Beautiful faces, beautiful smiles. Excited na mapanood yung kanilang pinaghirapan tonight.
Salamat guys. Ano next?
There we go. Maraming salamat. You can now go back to your seats and be comfortable.
Guys.
Ayan, maraming salamat again. The movie is rated PG by the MTRCB, so invite your friends, families, and classmates. Kung mga kabarkada ka trabaho, pwede sa lahat ng mga edad. Again, we have this thing called the Anti-Recording Act of 2010, so hindi na po bago sa atin ito kalaman. We are not allowed to take videos, photos of the film to support it at magpatuloy tayo sa paggawa pa ng magandang obra. And the producers of Minamahal Isang Dang Bulaklak para kay Luna shall exercise all its rights and available remedies to impose civil and criminal liabilities against any pirates. The producers shall ensure that these pirates shall be punished to the full extent of the law. The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized and illegal links to legal@viva.com.ph. Again, guys, if you're gonna post something online, please make use of our official hashtags. Hashtag Minamahal Isang Dang Bulaklak para kay Luna. Hashtag Minamahal Movie. Hashtag Andres Pula. Hashtag Ashton Olviga. Sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta sa atin mula day zero sa mga mall tours natin, hanggang kayo na nakaupo na kayo dyan, papanoorin nyo yung pinaghirapan ng dalawang ito. Of course, with Derek and of course the rest of the cast of this beautiful movie. I'm sure you'll get excited. Are you guys excited to watch? Are you guys ready to cry? Ready to magkiligin? Sabi nga natin kanina, malalang tipian yung magaganap tonight. Kaya nakita ko yung mga eagles. Ayan, parinig nga ulit ng mga tipian. Medyo mahina pa. Can I hear you guys? Palakparan kayo Luna sa lahat ng mga sinehan. Wherever you are in this world, panoodin natin. Again, I'm CJ Villa Vicencio, saying goodbye and
lang. 10 seconds. Face card. Di ba nakikisa nila ang lahat para sa pag-ibig? Hindi nila nag-apply sa mga generation ngayon. Kailangan balance yung pagmamahal sa partner at sa sarili.